We're on our way to another abandoned mine site, this time in the Florida mountains. This one's got buildings. I'm gonna check out, see what it's got. Nice cool June day. It's like 67 out right now. Cloudy, a little bit of rain. We had some pretty decent rain earlier. Out at another abandoned mine site. This one's got some buildings still standing, barely. And a well. See how deep down it goes. Not deep. Some pipes. It smells real musty. Another pipe coming out right there. But it's in the middle of a wash, so they probably collected it that way. Looks like they used to have one of those little awnings from back in the day. Checking out the sights of the mountains. They're all getting shrouded in clouds. You can see it just raking across the ridge. Check out this, what's left of an old building. Go inside. Ruins. Roof ain't doing what it's supposed to do anymore. Tell some cows have been in here. Man, they leave some massive piles. But yeah, this probably was a bunkhouse, it looks like. There's some pretty weird windows. I don't know what they're all about. We can see some shelving. There used to be a chimney to a stove. I'm assuming that was right here. And the other side, I'm gonna have to check out by going around the building. So 1 second. So here's the other entrance to this, presumably, well, I thought was a bunkhouse. Maybe a workshop. The shelving, I don't see any rooms for bunks. All right, here's the other ruined building just right up the hill from the first one. Walking up here to check it out. And this one is bare. There's nothing left, just 3 walls. See, it used to have stucco, but it's all been weathered away. I presume that used to be the door. Yeah, I mean, it used to be a mine road. It still is kind of a road, I guess you can call it. We're gonna head up into the mine working areas, check it out. Rain's starting to come down a little bit more, but not too bad yet. I don't know if we're gonna be able to launch the drone today, but definitely try it out. We just drove up from that little mine road to find a head frame. They just concreted the barrels and called it a day. Yeah, this looks like we found a shaft right here. Look at the size of this sucker.
It looks like a mini trench. Look, it's got the little boxing gloves on the front.
Yeah. Looks like we found a mine feature. Ladders and all. It looks like a collapse. It's not too often you see the ladders intact out here. They're usually busted down or taken away. This might have been the head frame, but I know there's an adit somewhere. And there's some remnants of a building right there as well. So we'll get down in this area. Some more mining equipment in the valley. We'll go check it out right now. Pete found what looked to be a bridge. It's what remains of a portal. Looks like they opened it up and then it just caved in. But Adrian found a tunnel to the mine, so we're gonna go check that out. Right over there by the collapsed head frame. Adrian found a portal. Thought of some of the mine workings. Maybe it used to be, but not anymore. Just appears to be somebody turned it into a dugout shelter. They didn't find what they're looking for. There's a bed in there. It's like a bed frame. Well, yeah, it's just a short one. Let's see if there's more up the mountain. Well, it looks like somebody forgot their car from the 1930s, it looks like. Maybe 40s. Wish there's some sort of identifying marks on it to tell what kind it is. Something that says on the back. Zeller. Scott, Ohio, Zeller. Reason why we came here is for that over there. There's another telltale sign that there's a mine. So we're gonna go check that out real quick. All right, we're coming up to that waste rock pile to see what kind of mine feature this is. And it's an adit. I can tell. What did they do?
They put the gate inside.
Oh, they put a mine gate? Let's go take a look. I think they plant this tree here on purpose to hide it. But let's check it out. Anyway, let's see what we got here.
Wow, that's really.
Hey, still got like a wooden table in here. Another mat. What's the thing with mattresses in mines lately? And that one goes. Let's go a decent way because they wouldn't have gated this up. You can see where the ore cart rails used to be.
Oh, damn it.
But it's the end of the road for this one. Found another adit out here in the Floridas, and more than just that. Adrian's got some new friends. A little frog, a little snake. All right, we're heading in here to get out of the rain just a little bit. It's been raining all day. And another disappointment.
It's not deep?
It just stops. Well, we're on the other side of the hill where the BLM reclaimed that mine adit, and we found an incline. It's the head frame right there. It's Adrian and Pete inspecting it. Yeah, that's definitely an incline. You can see the pitch, how it used to be.
You know what? Hold on, I'm gonna rearrange.
That's more than 50 degrees. It looks like there's a drift. Oh, I don't know. It looks like they just stoped it out a little bit.
Kind of weird.
Yep. We're heading down to this incline. Oh wow! Look how the rails change. Goes from square wood to just timbers. See how far this stopage goes. See those stalls just hanging there, or placed there inside. Yeah, they found something here. They stoped all this out. All right, we're down the bottom of the incline. Look up there. It's not too deep. And we'll go down this way along the bottom of this stope. Yep, somebody's been down here recently, modern core stubby. They stoped up some stone pillars like the last mine we visited, wooden stalls. And end of the line. Yes, it's just the stope. Look at the size of that timber.
Well, you know.
Well, yeah, look at that. Well, we're making our way out of the incline shaft here. It just led just to a stope.
Cool.
Yeah, they just mined out what they found here and then let it be. But let me get out of here. It's getting late. So we're out of the incline. We believe there's some more workings over here. Gonna go check out. Well, I'm going over there, check it out. A rainy day.
You hear that?
I see.
What? It's down there.
Okay, and that's that other opening up there. Probably what the waste rock pile is. I see. Oh yeah, it's looks like it used to be another incline. Still got some cables.
Oh man, this thing's just. Yeah, I ripped my house with a cook this.
There it goes. Adrian's down there in that small drip. It only goes down about 3 feet and then stops, faces out.
There's pipes and stuff down here, like it was important, but.
Yeah, well, that's probably where they stopped. Yeah, I see that. The water pipes. Got an old metal bucket that doesn't want to leave its home. And then us. Us.
Getting wet. Rain coming down more?
A little bit. I want to step on up here. That's what we were seeing when we were inside that
Oh yeah, that's what we were looking at.
small mine. There used to be another head frame here. Went down on another incline. It could go deeper, but it's not worth the risk. So, but there's one more piece of waste rock pile up there. We're just going to check out some gobbing where Adrian's at. Check that out, and then we'll start heading back to civilization. Higher up the hill, we found another small shaft. Guess it didn't pan out. There's another small one right over here. And that's where the head frame is, where they found that rich ore body, which I've yet to find out what it is. Looks similar to manganese or
Yeah, well, you know what? Well, there's thunder, there's lightning, bro.
maybe galena. Yeah. It's another prospect pit, it looks like. Looks like our time here is done. See the rain starting to come even more. So yeah, let's get back to the Jeep and start heading back.